Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iOS 15 update not showing up on iPhone and iPad. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the Safari browser. Search your beta.apple.com. Enter your Apple ID. Tap sign up. Tap continue with password. Enter your Apple ID password. Tap continue. Then wait for few seconds. Scroll down. Tap enroll your iOS device. Scroll down. Tap downloaded profile. Tap allow. Tap close. Then go back home screen. Open setting app. Tap profile downloaded. Tap install. Again install. Tap not now. Tap done. Then go back journal page. Tap software update. iOS 15 is showing up. Thanks for watching this video.